Yeah, there we go.
In tow mode?
Yeah.
Alright, now you want to turn your exhaust brake on. Press that button. It says engine brake on.
Yeah, emergency brake.
Yeah, emergency brake is on. Alright.
Okay.
We've got an inexperienced tower about to pull the trailer.
Ah!
Oh, the chicken yelled.
You ready?
Here we go. Alright, so just like your normal driving, you're just going to go out that way in the yard. And you're going to make a big wide turn. Now you need to watch in this mirror.
Yeah.
And make sure you don't hit the mailboxes with the trailer.
Well, they're way over there.
You're good. There you go. You did it. That's the hardest turn of the whole trip.
Yeah, I did it. Okay, when I look in my rearview mirror, there's nothing but red.
That's how it's gonna look for a while.
Not very helpful.
Hey, what's going on, guys? Today I'm in a different position here. I'm sitting in the passenger seat. It's kind of strange. I get to hold the dog on the trip. A little unusual for me. So we got a new driver, substitute driver today. And we've been riding for about 15 minutes and it's going well. What do you think?
So far, so good. Not as bad as I was afraid it might be.
You're coming into a work zone, so maybe it won't be so bad. We're gonna let her concentrate now.
Plenty of room.
You do have plenty of room.
Plenty of room.
Good job. Piece of cake, huh?
Yeah.
Right on. Good job.
Yay.
Made it through the tight area there. We're in a low stress situation today. The kids rode with my parents to the campground and we are camping close to home. We're only about 40 minutes from home. It's only 2-lane roads, primary routes though, so we got nice wide lanes. So it's the perfect opportunity for a new driver to give it a shot. I think this is the secret to the good gas mileage. Listening to old country. It's gonna change my ways. So we're like maybe 25 minutes into the trip? Something like that?
Something like that.
We're doing good. 16 miles per gallon. Killing me. So as far as what you've towed in the past, do you know what you've towed behind a truck?
You made me tow a boat, maybe?
Yep, you towed our
I towed a
17-foot skiff behind a Tahoe one time.
That's all I remember towing.
Never towed a horse trailer or anything?
No.
No?
Mm-mm. I think this is easier than the boat, though.
I agree. I agree. It's far less sketchy. It doesn't move around. It
Yes.
doesn't bounce. It doesn't do anything. It just
Right.
goes. So as far as it being steady, how steady is it?
Very. I can hardly feel anything back there.
So is it a lot different than just driving the truck normally?
No.
About the same.
Just remembering to slow down and take wide turns and pay more attention to what's going on around me.
Are you gonna quit cooking now and just start towing trailers for a living?
No, that's okay.
Don't ask me why. Yeah, when I get up, the lights come on, so take a good look.
After that clip, we got to the campground and we switched up because the parking situation was going to be a little difficult. But I have to say overall, Ashley did an awesome job and it was a brand new experience. And what did you think about it?
Overall, it was easier than I thought it would be. We have a really good towing setup, I think, which helps a lot and makes it a lot easier. But as long as you take your time and give yourself some space and some time, it's really not that bad. And I would encourage any spouse or traveling partner to be comfortable behind the wheel just in case you have an emergency or something happens and you need to be able to drive.
Hope you got some inspiration from this video, and if you are scared to tow, scared to get out and drive, put yourself in a low stress situation and go out there and give it a shot. It's not that bad. Take your time and you'll be fine. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel, and we'll see you guys next time.